You've heard of Alibaba, right? Well, what if I told you there is a better choice than Alibaba? Well, I'm talking about madeinchina.com, and today I'm going to go over that. If you would like to check out their website, you can go to the link in the description and check it out for yourself to see some of the innovative sourcing products they have. And when I say that it's better, I mean literally absolutely better. So if you've thought about creating a business, if you've thought about maybe finding drop shipping, but you're kind of tired of searching, well, this is the place to be. So let's go ahead and take a look at the website right now, and I'll show you why it's a better choice. Okay, so we're here at madeinchina.com, and this is where you're going to see everything right here. So here you can see all the categories. They have a video channel as well. They even have a secure trading service up here at the top, and you can even check out some of their top ranking products. So it's not just about this as well. So you have their top ranking products, so you can see what other people have actually liked. For example, the wireless Wi-Fi IP camera. You can see some of these. These are great options, especially again if you're starting a new business. This is really good. Or if you're drop shipping, a lot of people, especially in today's time, need security, right? Well, this is where you're going to find everything here. It's not just that. I mean, wheels if you're a car lover, whatnot, but this is everything that everybody ranked at being some of the best stuff, right? So we see the gold tags, the silver, the bronze as well, and kind of coming down. So you're going to be able to check everything out right off the bat. Now, agriculture, food, I mean, they have everything listed. Consumer electronics, furniture, health and medicine. I mean, you name it, you got it. Just like how like Alibaba does, but it's a little bit. What I like about this site as well is that everything's put together in a very easy to find method, but something to kind of really push on you to know the best possible choice, why this is the best possible choice. It's not just about what you could find, but actually having it built for you as well. I mean, they have the online trading assurances as well. They have you can have them actually create a product for you as well. So, for example, like if you want to request, you could post here and it's the product information. So if you have something that you can't really find, you could source that out with Made in China. So here, the product name, you would just choose like the category that it has for you as well, how many you want, the purchase quantity or pieces, right? 20-foot container, 40-foot container, feet, meters, set, square, ton, yards, or other. The trade terms, right? You're gonna be able to check all of those out as well. The target unit price, the maximum budget, and then you could describe the product that you're wanting to really source. So this is something that's really, really different. And then you have the shipping method, right? So sea freight, air freight, express, land freight, the lead time, destination port. I mean, all of this you can do, and then you submit it, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. All right, let me just kind of go out of this for a second, and then let's go back. All right, now we're back. So here you can check out your messages, your inquiry basket, and everything else here too. Now the secure trading service, you can check that out as well. Now this is where you can start your order. You could actually it funds the security. It has audited suppliers. They even have refund policies and service guarantees as well. Here you can check out these tractors, for example, 2,300 bucks as well, the apparel and accessories they have. So you could check out all of this. Oh, that's pretty cool. These would be a really great drop shipping item. But you kind of get the idea, right? So this is where you're going to see more. Oh, you're going to be able to see more of what they have to offer. So the arts and crafts, I mean, the bags and the cases, the textile, all of this as well. Now, they also have an app for you as well. So if you don't want to use desktop, you could check that out in Google Play or the App Store as well. And here you're going to find the posting the sourcing request. You could do all of this as well, even from here. And also, you could leave some feedback as well and let them know what you think, and then you can go back to the top. So this is everything you need to do. So actually collaborate too with the businesses as well, and you can see the first. You can get the first opportunity to access some new products as well. And again, what I love to really push on you is to understanding that if you don't have a product or if you can't find it, they can find it for you. So jump into the description below and go ahead and start creating that business.